Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and thank you all for stopping by, and I really appreciate all of you. And if you want to see what's in my Boxycharm Luxe this month, here it is. It came just this is Saturday. It came just right before noon, I think it was. This box weighed I think it was 3 point, let me double check, but I think it was like 3.8 pounds. Let me make sure. I don't want to tell you wrong. I know a lot of you really like to know these things, so I want to tell you exact. Let's see here. It was, I believe, 3.8 pounds. For some reason, it's not coming up. Let's see. Shipment. Yeah, 3.9 pounds. Okay, so it weighed 3.9 pounds. And I got version 17, and the theme this month, I guess, is glam vibes only. And let's see, yeah, this was my, yeah, this is my Luxe. So I know I haven't posted any new videos in over a week. I do apologize. My mother got really sick and had to go to the hospital. She just about died. They said that her potassium was so high that they couldn't believe her heart had not quit before she got there. And so they were testing her, trying to find out why her potassium went that high, and they found out she has stage 3 kidney failure. So it has just been a really bad week and a half, and I've had a major migraine for 3 days where I couldn't hardly even open my eyes. I'm sure it's just the stress of worrying about my mom. And y'all know I lost my dad several years ago, actually to kidney cancer. So hers is because she has lupus, and lupus tends to affect the organs, so I think that's what's causing her problems. But she's about all I have left besides my kids, so it is just, I've been really stressed. So let me tell you what I got in this box, and I'm going to try to do several videos, so like I usually do, and then I have some to post every day, but I didn't have a day to do a bunch of videos. I did post a few videos that I had already done, but they weren't new. So now I've got my boxes I need to get done, and I have actually, I know it sounds weird, but I've missed you all. It just doesn't feel the same when I'm doing my videos. And I have a lot of videos. I've got to do my video on who won my giveaway, and I've got some other giveaways to talk about. And like I said, it's been pretty stressful, so I really do apologize. I planned on having my giveaway listed by now, or who won listed by now. So the first thing I got was the Pharmacy Cheer Up, the Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. This was one of my choices. This is a $45 value, and we know Pharmacy is kind of a high-priced item, and from everything I've tried, it's a very good item. I apologize, my throat has been bothering me too. I don't know what is up with my throat, but so that was $45. I'm going to put these down on here as I go. So I can tell you all what I got. And then I got power brush. Let's see. It was this. I'm not really too crazy about the two-sided brushes. I guess because I really didn't like the last one I got, but this is by Persona. That side's not bad. We'll try it out. So that is valued at $24. And then I got, I didn't even know this was a choice, an option, and this was, if I can get it open, I was so excited to get this. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. If I can get it open, man, this thing is hard to open. Why is, look at that, I got white. Can you see that? Isn't that pretty? I'd seen the pink ones and the pink and the orange ones, but I had not seen the white ones. Look at that. I am eager to try this. Let's see. You can see that. Look how that shines. I've already got some on, or I would put some more on. Okay, and that retails for $36. And then I got, this was, I don't know why in the world I chose this. I couldn't make up my mind, and I just chose it. And immediately when that closed, I thought, why in the world did I close this? I do not use self-tanners, but I've thought about trying a self-tanner. This is valued at $33, and this is Tan Luxe, the Gradual Illuminating Tanning Lotion. It says the Gradual is a lightweight body moisturizer with a gradual glow. The revolutionary oil lotion hybrid has become a cult favorite, melting into skin upon application and delivering natural buildable color in just 1 hour. I was thinking about trying some of this on my face and my neck. So, it's a good size. This is 8.45 full ounces. Did I tell you how much it retails for? $33. So, there's that. And then I got, I wasn't too crazy about this, but we'll try it out. I don't know, what's how you say that, Cusio? It's a Calm Clean Lavender Body and Hand Wash, and this little thing retails for, it's not little, but I can't believe it retails for $39.95. Wow. I guess we'll go ahead and open it. I do like bath washes and stuff. They're not my favorite thing to get. I would much rather get something else. It's not terrible, but I actually got a bath wash, was it 2 or 3 months ago when we had a bath wash, and I got one then, and I've got some of my favorites that I have that I already use. I like things with coconut, and there's a pomegranate one that I really love. This has I wouldn't say that's a pleasant scent. It almost has maybe a mint. It has just, see, it's a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. Okay, I'll read it. A new shower cleansing body and hand wash ritual made to calm the senses. Using the finest ingredients, Epsom salt helps muscles feel reinvigorated after the most intense of workouts. Pro vitamin B5 and shea butter help keep your skin feeling moisturized, made with soothing and calming lavender oil. I'll try it, but still $39.95 for a, that will last a long time when you put it on a little sponge or whatever, your bath sponge, but still that's expensive, and I don't really care for it almost has a medicine-y smell to it, but I'll try it and see if it really helps my muscles, like it says. Let's see, and then I got the Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. I actually ordered this on the, was it add-ons this month? Yeah, pop-up was last month. So I actually ordered this because, y'all know I've got long hair, so I really like to have deep conditioners, and yeah, I put that on there, okay. And that retails for $24, and it says, this intense, nourishing, and hydrating treatment revives hair that has been dried or damaged by environmental or styling stresses. Jojoba, walnut, and chestnut oils penetrate deeply into the hair, resulting in unparalleled moisture, strength, elasticity, and brilliant shine. And that retails for $24, so I'm okay with that. Like I said, but I've got long hair, so these don't last a long time because I really like deep conditioners, and I was really happy to get this. This is actually the one I was hoping for, and you'll see my other boxes and you'll see why. So this is the Hip Dot eyeshadow palette. It retails for $30. Let me add that on here. And it says, conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Xeon. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. And if I didn't say it, this retails for $30. So I was really happy about this one, and I will do a look with this here soon. Look at the pretty colors. Let's see, I'll swatch a few. Let's try Angel's Landing. Try it, and let's try this one. It's called Virgin. And let me try a matte. It's called Canyon. So, okay, this is called Canyon. It's the matte. This one's called Virgin, and this one's called Angel's Landing. So let me swatch those for you a little bit. Let's see there. Oh, look at that. That is really colorful. Look at those. Those are really swatched nice. I'm eager to try this. That's really swatched nice, but of course we know that sometimes they can swatch really good and not go on the eyes really good, which is why I like doing my first impressions and actually show you how many times I had to put over it. But look at those. Really pretty. I like to actually show you how many times I had to go over my eye to get that look instead of just telling you. And then I got these masks, and we know the 111 Skin is very expensive. I love skin mask, and so far this is my favorite skin mask. I save them for really important occasions because these are extremely expensive, and every time Boxycharm has their pop-up or their add-ons where they have these on there, usually it's like $12 for the 5. That's a steal. I usually get a couple boxes, so I'm glad to have these. These are very expensive. Let's tell you, it says, of course it's a 5-pack, the ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. They retail for $135 for the pack of 5. So what is that, like $26, $27, something like that for a piece? So I mean, that is really expensive, especially when you can get, you know, other ones for $3 or $4, the really good ones a piece. Or, oops, I don't know why my light went off, but must have knocked it off. Well, I don't know why my light went off. Okay, so we got that. So my box totaled $366.95 is the total retail value of my whole box. It wasn't my favorite box that I've ever gotten from Boxycharm, but there are enough things in here that I am happy with the box overall. Really happy with the color of this, that I will be happy to use that. I will do a review on this here soon too, and I think that's going to be a really pretty color and probably look really good like right in the corner. I don't have any makeup brushes right here, or I would show you. Okay, I don't think I can put it up a little bit on the inner corner, but so that is my Boxycharm Luxe for the month. I apologize if I'm not completely with it. My mind's everywhere else, and it is really hard after not videoing for a week to feel like back in the groove. Did anybody else experience that? I mean, when I was doing it daily or every few days, it just like it became easier, but it's been about a week and a half since I filmed, because like I said, my mom was sick, and then Levi didn't feel good for 2 or 3 days, and trying to help him with his school even though he didn't feel good so he don't get behind. And then I had a horrible migraine. So I mean, it was so bad my eyes were actually twitching where I mean, it's still there, but anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm sure you can tell my eyes, the way when my head hurts really bad, I pull my eyebrows down. I've been thinking about getting, have y'all seen those tape, that like skin tape, and pull my forehead up to make me stop squinching my eyes, because I just do that without even realizing I'm doing it, and I hate it. So thank you all. Oh, the dog's looking at me. Thank you all so much, and I will see you all soon. I love you all. Bye bye.